Look what Dean is putting together. Woohoo! A clothing line. I'm so excited. I've been talking about this for ages. It's very exciting. All right, I'm about to put some clothes on my clothing line. I've never done this before, so bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing. Cooking up some breakfast for little Jack. He's feeling a bit better today. Now, mind you, it's like 11 a.m. Got the coffee going over there. I was just on Insta stories telling you guys, like, yeah, this is a bit of a late start, but we've been staying awake until his last dose, which is like midnight, like 11:30. Between 11:30 and midnight, I get the babies to sleep, and so I'm pretty tired because I usually have like downtime after they go to bed. I have not had any. Like, it's a lot. I'm telling you, when he's feeling better, I'm getting a manicure and a pedicure and other things. I don't know what yet, but things. Anyway, plans for the day. Dad's coming out. I want a little bit of help moving some boxes into 2 rooms. Our basement room, basement back room, and my office area. Because once we get the boxes out of the way, then Dean can start the painting and I can help removing the popcorn ceiling and we can get started on this shit, because we find it's like, well, naturally with Jack's surgery we paused everything, go into survival mode, but we're ready to pick it back up again. And I'm gonna do a whole separate video on Jack's surgery and recovery and my thoughts on the whole thing, because it was like, I knew it was gonna be intense, but I didn't know to the degree of intensity. So I got some thoughts, come back and share later. For now, I'm making breakfast. Having some fun today in the pool. Grandpa to the rescue. Fun times in the pool. I'm just gonna catch some sun in my very SPF body. Ooh, just burned my ass a little bit. Alright, guys. We're cooking some dinner. And Dad, who's holding the camera, was saying, he's like, you should like, there he is. So I saw these kebabs and I was like, well, let's cook them up. And I was joking with Dad because he was like, you should do like a barbecue thing, right?
A series of food, man.
And I was like, I don't actually know how to barbecue. I just read the instructions.
I taught you well, haven't I?
You taught me everything about the barbecue. But here's the fun thing. You want to eat a kebab, you go in the back and it's like, brush the grill with vegetable oil, easy peasy. Remove kebabs from package, place on grill, and grill for 8 to 10 minutes. And it's that easy. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cook some kebabs. I'm doing a salad with like some radishes and whatever else I've got in there. We've got some corn on the cob. The kids will enjoy it as well. And I gotta do something for Jack. I'm thinking like soft potatoes or maybe some rice. So we'll get it done.
Right on.
All right, it's barbecuing time. So I am just heating up the barbecue. I've turned it on. So the trick is you just turn the flames, hit the clicker, keep your face away as you're hitting the clicker, and you're good to go. We're gonna be doing some souvlaki kebabs. This is pork. Got my beer. I think I'm ready. Got my flippers. Got my bench. So I think I'm good. Grandpa is in the basement with the children, and this is what I'm doing. I haven't even really inspected this part of my deck yet. So the previous owners had a table here. They had a table there. They have lots of tables. I mean, but I kind of like this for the barbecue because it's not totally close to the house, but then it's covered if it's raining. What's that? Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself when I barbecue. I'm not even kidding. And it is so hot out right now. I swear you can see the heat in the air. I will be swimming in there after dinner. And that's it. 10 minutes later. So what I do is I just turn all of the, you know, the knobs, because I don't know the term, and I just let it air out. Let it cool down, you know? And I'll bring this inside and let's go eat. Let's be real. I only have one hand, so priorities. Let's go. We are going to, oh, hello. We are going to fry up some butter, and we're gonna get these shrimp going. So I have shelled them. Is that the right word? Who knows? There they are, the shrimp. Fry up the shrimp so they're a little bit pink, and that's it. And dinner will be ready. Boom. Well, we had an Ikea run. So what did you get, Dean? You got, oh, beds. Bed for Esme, bed for Jack. Oh, is there mattresses and everything too? Sweet. Dressers and oh my gosh, I can't believe, and son, there's a kid on the roof. Oh my God, how did he get there? Hey, are you feeling better now? No, this is good enough. You do not need to go, no, because if you fall off, you just had surgery. What are you doing? I should start loading some of this stuff in the house. That'd be awesome. Oh, their bedrooms are gonna be so cute. You ready for a nice bedroom? Yes.
My sheets are black.
Your sheets are black?
Yeah, dressed in black.
Ooh, that's cool. What color are Esme's sheets?
Pink.
Lovely.
Jacket.
Okay.
Okay.
Watch out for baby brothers. Okay, move the plastic.
No.
Don't worry. Nothing bad's gonna happen.
Oh my God. No.
Jack,
You
get out of there.
no.
We'll take yours out too. Oh. Good morning. It is morning. It is Saturday morning. And Jack and I, mostly me, is going to be tackling Jack's bedroom. So yesterday Dean put together Esme's dresser and bed. And today I'm going to try to put together Jack's dresser and bed because I'm here. There is enough work going around this house for Dean that only Dean can do. I can do this, right? Who can't follow some instructions? So that's what we're up to. Mattress in the corner, wacky dog. We've got a dresser, I think. That looks like the bed. This is also the bed, and we have some lamps. And my son is hiding. He's not really doing a good job of helping me. Thanks for nothing. I've got various important things. Screwdriver, Nerf gun to keep my son in line. Pew, pew. Some Gatorade and some tunes. So that is what is up. Someone's feeling better. Are you ready to do your room? High five. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take this, put it on the end, right here. You got this. And then take this and put it on top of that and screw it on. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Yeah, it's like a wrench, tightening it. Good job.
Yeah.
You got this. Like anything, it always seems a little overwhelming before you start. Look, I've done the first box, so this is awesome. So one of the things I do with Ikea right away is I open up the bag with all the little, all the little screws and bolts and whatever the heck we're using. Oh, of course, when I go to show you guys, I can't open it. Okay, there we go. I divvy them up into like things because I just find that so much easier as I'm doing all the things to just reach for the pile that I need. That's just my little brain, the way it likes to group like things with like things, Also, I just think it makes it so much simpler as you go. It's done. The only thing is I stripped. I'm so annoyed. I stripped this nail, so I'll get a new nail later, but for now I'll just leave it on wobbly. But otherwise, it's done. It's done. Time to put some clothes in there. Okay, so let's get your bed, and we'll do your bed right now. Deal? While I still have the energy. All right, number 2. Well, this was tricky. This little part here was very tricky. Anyway, let's get that mattress, dude, and we're done. Chuck it. Ooh. It's upside down. We just gotta flip it. You will. You don't have anything there.
Yes, you do.
Oh, my back. I'm so tired, guys. That was a lot.
I'm tired too because I helped.
Oh, did you? What did you do? Oh, stop with the yelling.
He pulled my hair.
Okay, well, this is his bed and we're on it.
I know.
Come here. Woo! Oh, be careful. Get stinky breath still. Ow! Jackie, too rough. Ooh. Don't. Go get your black sheets. Let's go.
Hey, why don't you have the little stick to go with?
Okay, and here is the finished product. So I went to Walmart and I got him a little bedroom set. To be honest, he really wanted skulls and skeletons and things, but we'll get there. It actually came with bed sheets, which are pretty cozy. And I'm not usually a comforter kind of person. Like, I like a duvet that you can change the cover, but you know what? The price was right, and so he's got that. The dresser is complete. He's already filled it with all his knickknacks. This was a little dresser I'd actually found on the corner, hello garbage day, a while ago, but then I forgot it in the rain. So it got kind of damaged outside, but you know what? I'm living that make do motto life, and it works for now. And while I was at Walmart, I got them these little night lights. And so it's a Himalayan salt lamp, which is great because it emits great things for the kids. And it has a colorful light and it just plugs in down there. And then they also have these little night lights, which you can see just turned on as we came closer, that are, what's it called, like light sensitive. So when it gets dark in here, it turns on. So it's great. They've got two little night lights. He's already decorated it himself. And then this is Esme's room. Also got her comforter from Walmart. She picked out that little pillow from Walmart. And this was just like random things we had while we were staging, but she really liked them, so go for it, my girl. And then her bed sheets are actually Ikea. These bed sheets, when you wash them, they get so comfortable. Anyway, so she's got like the bubblegum pink with the teal, which was per her request. I just think it turned out so pretty. I love a big blanket like that because it covers, you know, all the edges of the bed, which I think, and I just think this is so pretty. Like, it's so feminine. She loves it. And then her little light is right there in the corner. So both kids, I'm going to be getting them little side tables so that they can put their salt lamps right beside their bed. Oh yeah, and look, we're reading, we're currently reading Harry Potter. We're making our way through. That's our bedtime read at the moment. But you're definitely going to want to stick around because we have already begun the de-popcorning of our living room. Every damn ceiling in this house has popcorn ceilings and it's gross and we want to get rid of it. So we are in the process of doing that, and I gave you guys a sneak peek the other day on Instagram, actually just yesterday. So head to stories at AmandaMuse on Instagram, catch all the up-to-date live updates. If you want more behind the scenes, there's going to be Patreon, links below. The podcast has had a little rebranding, check that out. There was a new episode out yesterday answering all of your questions. And what else can I tell you? Next week, there's going to be a lot more house updates. So subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.